Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and I'm finally back now. So as you guys know, I mentioned in my last video, and for all of you that you have been asking me, hey Telmo, when are you? You just disappeared, you are not uploading any more videos or anything. Like I mentioned in my last video, I just moved to my new home, and yeah, since this place is like in a completely new road and everything, there was like no cables on the street for the internet or anything. So that's why it took me a little bit more time now to get back online. The situation is still not like completely fixed. I think in the next couple of weeks they are gonna sort this out. But for now, I'm just using this kind of mobile broadband, you know, that you can just like take anywhere you want. You can just like charge it with some data and you can just be using it. So yeah, as you can see, I have like a new setup. Things are still not really organized yet, but you know, slowly we will get there. So yeah, for also for all of my students, just to let you know that I'm back online. I have internet now. I can have calls with you guys, can answer any questions by email or anything. And for all of you that you have been waiting for my videos to upload, I'll be back now, you know, because this is just my first video to let you know, guys, that I'm back in. Uh, I can't upload like lots of videos in a week, maybe like 2, 3 maximum, because I'm still using this mobile internet and it still costs me a little bit of money. But in a couple of weeks, I will get fiber or something when the roads will be finished with the cables and everything. So yeah, just wait a little bit and everything will be sorted. So yeah, soon I'll be back now with more React tutorials that I left last time like a month ago or something. This was like a huge break, but it was good for me as well to think about like new ideas for new videos. What kind of new tutorials I can make about web design, WordPress, React, more JavaScript things, more websites from scratch, as I've been a lot of people asking me. So yeah, that's it, guys. And I also wanted to do a house tour when things in here they are going to be a little bit more organized, because as you can imagine, when we are moving into a new place, it's just like boxes everywhere with the things that we just moved in, and we are still like building furniture like beds, wardrobes, tables. You can imagine it's a lot of work when someone moves into a completely new house. So yeah, just wait on a little bit. I hope this week I'm already gonna start with some tutorials. And let me know in the comments down below what kind of tutorials you want to see. And probably in the next Sunday I'll go back to my live stream, my weekly live stream on Sunday. And yeah, I'm really happy that I'm finally back. It's been like a really long time now, for a month. And yeah, like I said, this is just a quick update, guys. So I'll see you in the next video.